Walking tacos, one of my favorite quick dinners to serve my kids. These are so easy on the Blackstone. With 1 pound of ground beef and a few sides to add to this, we layer everything or pile everything up into our favorite bag of little size, what do you call these?
Chips?
Chips? Little bags of chips. It's a walking taco. You guys are gonna love this. Cam loves this, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's show everybody in Griddle Nation how to make this at home. Come summer, we love these, or parties even. We throw down 1 pound of ground beef onto our hot griddle, get that crumbled up using our scraper. We'll season it up with the Blackstone street taco seasoning. Give this a mix, let it hang out until it's cooked through. Now when it comes to the toppings, you can make your own homemade salsa or whatever side you want to add to this. We're taking a shortcut and we've got everything already prepped out for a super quick weeknight dinner. Except for the cheese. The cheese has to be shredded by hand. For me, I'm keeping it simple. I've got limes, black olives, some shredded lettuce, some store-bought salsa, cilantro. We've got crema. In the end, you can use any toppings you want, any chips you want. And as always, I'm serving this up family style. Okay, now you guys fill them up however you want, whatever order you want. I'm going cheese first. Kira's going cheese first. What are you guys gonna just copy me or make your own?
Make my own. No, I like it exactly like this.
Yeah, I mean, you can really, there are no rules when it comes to this. I have spoons for all these toppings, except we're family. We don't need to worry about the germs. I'm going some salsa. I'm gonna guess neither of my kids are going for salsa.
I'm going for salsa.
You are? Lettuce, do it all, Kira, do it up. Olives, you guys can get as creative as you want at home with whatever toppings you want. This is gonna be good. You guys are gonna love this at home. We love this here, don't we?
Yeah.
Me and my kids love this. We know that you guys are gonna love this, so make sure you make it, post it. We love seeing your pictures, even my kids. I share all of the posts at Griddle Nation is recreating our recipes, right? All the things that we eat. We love watching you guys. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. These are my crazy kids. We'll see you guys in another family style favorite in the next video.